And in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to buy USDT on Binance, and I have two ways how to do it. Either if you found your account with new money and you buy USDT with the money from a card, or also I will show you how to convert the existing coins in your wallet into USDT, because also you can do it, and it's cool to know that you can convert your coins into another coins anytime you want. So that being said, let's jump into the first method by funding your account with new money. I'm right now on Binance.com. I will refresh the page so you can see that I'm on that page, and now we have to press on the deposit. From the top right hand corner you'll find the yellow button. Let's press on it, and inside here you'll find the button buy with a currency. You will see a different currency depending on your account, and you will see buy crypto easily. We have bank transfers, card and more. Let's press on it, and the new page will come up. Inside here, type the amount, how much you'd like to spend. As an example, you can type 200, and from here you can change the currency. Let's search for USD, US dollar, and at the bottom you can leave it on USDT, so you can buy directly USDT with your US dollar, or depending on the currency which you have on your card. And from here, nothing new. You will have to enter your card details and press on buy USDT. The steps are the same like you buy anything from the internet, nothing new. Now I'll get to the second method, how to convert an existing coin in your wallet into USDT. For that you'll have to go to trade, and inside here you'll find convert and block trade. Let's click on it, and this menu will pop up. I want to convert some coins which I have some Doge coins. Let's select Doge first, and underneath you will have to select USDT, and now you'll have to type the amount of Doge which you'd like to convert into USDT. I have available somewhere around 12 and 13 Doge. Let's select the maximum amount so I can convert all the Doge I have into USDT, and now I'll press on preview and let's press on convert. And in this way I converted all my Doge coins into USDT. So I hope this tutorial come in handy and help you out to get USDT on Binance by buying it or by converting it.